All right, today we are diving into something huge. We're decoding motivation. We're going to be exploring a book that says, hey, our entire approach to getting people engaged is, well, it's outdated. We'll look at why the old tricks don't work anymore and what the real science says about what truly lights a fire under us to do our best work. I mean, you've probably asked yourself this a million times, right? It's the question that keeps leaders, managers, heck, all of us up at night. You throw incentives at a problem, you set goals, but that real, lasting spark of engagement just seems to slip through your fingers. How can something so basic to success be so darn difficult to get right? So the whole idea behind this book is that we're basically playing by a rulebook from a different era. The world has gotten way more complex, it's constantly changing, and those old school motivation tactics, they just aren't cutting it anymore. We need a whole new game plan. Here's the core of the problem. A lot of traditional strategies assume that people are these perfectly rational beings, but we're not. We're driven by emotions, by what the people around us are doing, by all these hidden mental shortcuts. And that huge gap between the old theory and how we actually are, well, that's why so many motivation plans just completely fall flat. This right here, this is a massive shift in thinking. You see, the old way was all about external things, right? The classic carrot and stick, money, promotions, control. But Motivation Decoded shows us that the real sustainable drivers are all internal. It's about having the autonomy to direct our own work, the chance to get better and master our skills, and a feeling that what we're doing actually has a purpose. Okay, so if the old rules are busted, what's the new secret weapon? Well, this is where it gets really interesting. The book introduces us to these hidden levers inside our own minds, tapping directly into the science of why we do the things we do. And here it is, behavioral economics. This is the absolute game changer. It's this powerful mix of psychology and economics that helps us finally understand all the little mental shortcuts and biases that really drive our decisions. You know, like why we're so much more likely to save for retirement if we have to opt out instead of opting in? That's behavioral economics in action. It's the key to building environments where motivation happens naturally. This quote from the book just nails it. This isn't just about tweaking old ideas. It's a completely fresh way of looking at things that gives you real, actionable strategies, whether you're in leadership, marketing, or even just trying to hit your own personal goals. It's all about working with our human nature, not constantly fighting against it. And look, this isn't some dusty theory from a textbook. The most innovative companies on the planet are already using these principles. And believe me, they're getting incredible results. The book is absolutely packed with these amazing case studies from giants at Netflix, Google, and Toyota. For instance, it breaks down Google's famous 20% time, where they let employees work on passion projects. That's not just some fun perk. It's a master class in using autonomy and purpose to spark incredible innovation. The book shows you exactly how they do it. So what's the big takeaway from all these awesome companies? It's that the leaders who are winning today are visionary, they're authentic, and they have serious emotional intelligence. The book really connects the dots, showing how those specific leadership traits are absolutely essential for creating the trust and engagement that can totally transform a team. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's cool for Google, but what about me? And that's where this book really shines. It's not just for CEOs. It's designed to be a personal roadmap for literally anyone, managers, students, professionals, who wants to turn these game-changing insights into a real, concrete strategy you can use tomorrow. The book lays out this super clear path for you. It starts with the core science, then it moves right into how you can actually apply it. You're going to learn how to harness those cognitive biases for good, how to truly inspire your team, and ultimately, how to unlock your own hidden potential. And let's be crystal clear, this is about so much more than just hitting your quarterly targets. As the book says so perfectly, mastering motivation is the foundation of resilience, creativity, and innovation. It's the fuel for the big breakthroughs, the stuff that really matters. So the only question left is this: are you ready to stop guessing and start using an approach that's actually backed by science? Are you finally ready to decode motivation for yourself and for your team? Because the roadmap you need is right here. Just grab your phone, scan the QR code right on your screen, and get your copy of Motivation Decoded. It's time to stop guessing what works and start using the science of engagement to build a more resilient, creative, and motivated team, starting today.